This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Chevrolet Cruze key cover. First, gather your essential tools, a small flathead screwdriver, and your brand new key cover. It is important to ensure your new cover is compatible with your existing key fob's internal components. This entire process is quite straightforward and should take you no more than 5 minutes from start to finish, making it a quick and easy DIY task. Now, let's begin by opening your old key fob. Look for a small, discreet notch, usually located on one of the sides of the fob. Take your small flathead screwdriver and carefully insert its tip into this notch. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, you can separate the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Once the old key fob is open, carefully remove the internal components. This typically includes the circuit board and the small battery. Gently lift them out, noting their orientation. Now, take the front half of your new key cover and carefully place the circuit board inside, ensuring it sits snugly. Then, insert the battery into its correct slot, making sure the positive and negative terminals are aligned properly. Finally, it's time to assemble your new key cover. Carefully align the two halves of the new cover, making sure all the internal components are properly seated and nothing is misaligned. Gently press the two halves together until you hear and feel them securely click into place. Once assembled, take a moment to test all the buttons on your new key fob to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your key cover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.